Hey friends, welcome to my video. Hi friends, welcome to my training video. My name is Cheryl Mathis. I am the Low Incidence Consultant at Kentucky Valley Educational Cooperative in Hazard. This training has been compiled to provide a few tips for not only surviving the job as a paraprofessional, but for excelling in your position as a paraprofessional. Let's get to it. Paraprofessionals are referred to with many different terms. I have heard terms such as teacher's aide, paraprofessional, paraeducator, and teaching assistant, to name only a few. What term does your school district use to describe your position? I'll pause and let you think about that. Employment of paraprofessionals has grown steadily over the last 50 or so years. As the roles and responsibilities of paraprofessionals have changed drastically over the years, paraprofessional roles and responsibilities are no longer limited to things like grading papers or making materials or monitoring students during activities. Para means alongside of, and just like a paralegal or maybe even a paramedic, these folks assist and support the work of others in a variety of ways. Today, paraprofessionals are active members of school teams who work alongside teachers to provide direct support services to improve student learning outcomes. This training video will review some survival kit items that may be helpful as you go about your daily paraprofessional duties. Let's talk about the Paraprofessional Survival Kit. The Paraprofessional Survival Kit is intended to help you survive the school year and help students be successful while having a little fun. First, we have a highlighter. This is intended to remind you to stay bright. If you don't know or understand something, seek out clarifying information from lead teachers or administrators. Also, a good place to get some free information at is theholler.org. KVEC staff has placed tons of free learning videos and resources here for your use. Next up, we have an eraser. Well, we all make mistakes, and most of the time those mistakes can be corrected, and mistakes are going to happen on this job. My best advice is to reflect on mistakes that happen and consider how those mistakes can be improved for the next time. Remember, no two students are the same, and sometimes helping students to be successful is about changing what we do and making what we do better for our students. Next up, we have the Post-it note, and this is to remind us to stick together. Teamwork makes the dream work, so stick together. If you see another team member struggling, lend a helping hand, even if it's not necessarily within your job duties. Remember, the success of all students is the responsibility of all of us. They're all our students. Next up, we have a rubber band, and the rubber band is here to teach us flexibility. Flexibility is the key to supporting successful students. Sometimes your schedule for the day may change based on the needs of students or the needs of teachers, maybe even the needs of administration. Be flexible and go with the flow as much as necessary. The paperclip is the next thing we're going to talk about. The paperclip is there to remind you to hold it together because there are lots of responsibilities with this position. Stay positive because there will be lots of highs and there will be lots of lows, plus there will be lots of days in between. The paperclip is there to help us remember to hold it all together. The Band-Aid we'll talk about next. This is a tough job. You need to take care of yourself, you need to take care of your physical health, and also your mental health. Take a nap when you get home if you need one. Take a nap without guilt. read a book, or cook some comfort food. Some days will be more challenging than others, so take care of yourself. This is crucial. Next up, we have our coffee. Sometimes you may need just a little bit of energy to make it through. Maybe take a walk. Get on an exercise program. This will help your energy level and again help you to take care of yourself without guilt. The mechanical pencil is here to remind us to stay sharp. Focus on your duties and do everything to the best of your ability. The shiny penny is up next. The shiny penny is to remind you that you play a crucial role in helping our students shine. Don't forget that. Your job is important and you're there to help students shine. And finally, we have the lifesaver candy. Your role is crucial to student success. You are a lifesaver and schools can't operate without you. Thanks for working hard for our students. Your work is very important to the success of our students. On behalf of Kentucky Valley Educational Cooperative, I want to say thank you for helping students to become successful each and every day. I hope you will apply some of the suggestions as you work as a paraprofessional. My name is Cheryl Mathis with the Kentucky Valley Educational Cooperative. Thanks for watching my video. I'll holler at you later.